My name is Matt Twedt. I'm a Goldmeister technician at Porsche Service Center, Chesterfield. Been with Porsche for about 20 years, and I've been with indiGO for 10 years. What I like about my job is the team atmosphere that we have in the shop. I'm a team player. And I also get job satisfaction from getting these cars back on the road in their proper state. Porsche is really known for their engineering. When you're working on these cars, you're working on cars that are on the cutting edge of technology. So you're at the forefront of what's new. I've lived in St. Louis my whole life, born and raised. So yeah, it's super exciting to see the growth within the market and within the brand, to see more Porsches on the road and to know that our customers value us and the hard work we do to keep them on the road.